Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can start navigation in Google Maps, so let's get right into it. Now, to start navigation, what you need is a beginning point and an end point. Now, on PC, this is not exactly possible. I mean, you can get a beginning point such as directions from here and then selecting wherever you want to go, and that's going to give you 2 points, and that is going to show you the directions. However, it's not going to show you the option to enable navigation. This is because your your current location needs to be your starting point. You can activate that on PC or on the web version. However, of course, if you're not on a mobile device, you more than likely won't be using your PC for navigation, but on the mobile version, it is a bit easier. So you just need to enter your precise location. You need to turn on location permissions on your device, turn your location on, and then Maps is going to take your current location as the start point. Once you have your current location enabled, then you can select any other place, for example, an Excel hospital, and if you tap on it, it'll show you the directions between those two points if you so choose. However, when you first tap it, it won't. You will need to enable those directions, and then once you enable directions, you will then be able to start navigation. However, you can also just press start instead of going into directions first, and that's going to provide you with the exact same result, and that is pretty much all you need to do. So that's pretty much it. To summarize, on PC it's not really possible unless you have your location on, but even then I'm not sure if it works. On mobile, you just need to have your location on, select whichever location you want, and then press start, and that is going to show you the driving directions unless you set them to walking or anything else, and that's going to show you the navigation, and it's going to turn it on. And that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.